Very good morning, class 4. Today I start another exercise of the chapter 1, 1C. So, in 1C, we understand the concept of the face value and place value that already discussed in class 3. So, what is the meaning of the face value and what is the meaning of the place value? What is the meaning of the place value and what is the meaning of the face value? Face value. Face value means the face value of a number is the same, and place value means the number in which place. So question number 1, that's a number is 1 in 25,103. So what is the place value of 1 here? Face value. So the face value of 1 is 1. Same. Another. What is the face value of 7 in 75,124? Same is 7 because the face value is the same as a number. What is the face value of 8 in 59,436? 8,59,436. The face value is 8. The second question, the B number question is what is the place? Find the place value of 3 in 25,134. So from your right hand side you count backward, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So the place value of 3 is 30, and the second B number is 5 in 6,19,520. So the place value of 5 is 500. The C number question is 6 in 6,43,521. What is the place value of the 6? The place value of the 6 is 6 lakh. Same. Question number 3, the number is given. So you tell that what is the place value of 6? In A, B, C, 3 questions are there. You tell me that what is the place value of 6? 2,568. Place value of 6 is 6 tens 60. Secondly, 19,356. Place value of 6 is 6. 2,65,140. Place value of 6 is 60,000. 6 is in a different place. So you tell me that the place value of 6. आपको 6 का place value बताना है. सेम जैसे आपने 6 का बताया है, ठीक वैसे ही आपको कुछ नंबर में अंडरलाइन डिजिट दिया हुआ है, आपको उसका प्लेस वैल्यू बताना है. 46,738 अंडरलाइन 7. यू टेल मी द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7. सेम प्रोसीड्योर, 1, 10, 100. So 7 in 100 place, the place value is 700. 56,438 underline 3 in 10 place, so 30. Question number 5, find the sum of the place value of 5 in 25,125. So first 5 is in 1,000 place and the last 5 in 1 place. So you add both the number, 5 plus 5,000, answer is 5,005. Secondly, 4,51,652. So 5 in 50,000 and that 50. So answer is 5,50,000. 5,50,000. You add in the same way, you deduct also. Difference. Find the difference in the place value of 8. 85,218. So first 8 is 80,000 and the last 8 is 8 ones. So even you minus 79,992. 2 number 78,587. So first 8 is 8,000 and the last one 8 is 80. 8,000 minus 80, 7,920. $4,68,382. So first 8 is 8,000 So 8000 minus 80, 7920. Question number 7. Expanded form. 6594. So 6000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 4. 51,832. 50,000 plus 1000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 2. 5,300 plus 40 plus 3. 5,000. So underline the first number in first digit in each number. So 5343. Same in this way. 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 7. The number is 35227. So there is 1C exercise. Question up to the J. So from each and every question you can do all the question. First I can go through just only 2 and 3 examples. One C. Now another portion is ascending order. Ascending order and the descending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means the number from the smallest to the greatest. Give example. And descending order means number from greatest to smallest. Next concept is successor and predecessor. Successor means you just write the after that number. So 599, the successor plus 1 is equal to 600. 3500, 3500 plus 1, 3501. So when you are in class 1 and 2, you go through the concept of after and before. But now in class 3 and 4, the term is modernized that it will be now successor and predecessor. Successor means add 1 and predecessor means you deduct 1 from that number. Now you digit is given to you. You just go through the greatest and smallest number from this digit. Now I go through the exercise 1D. Exercise 1D in book. That smallest, that greater than, lesser than and equal to sign you just add. First question is 2506 and 286. Which one is greater? 2506 is greater. Question number 2, 1520 and 534. Which one is greater? 1520 is greater. C number 4651, 79,512. 4 number 6 lakh and there is a 4 lakh. 6 lakh is greater. And 10 number 37,541, 37,500, both are same, so equal to sign are there. Ring the largest number in each group. There are a set of numbers are there. which one is largest, you just ring, means circle that number. 5320, 3520, 2530, 2053. So the 1000 place 5000 is largest, so you circle the 5000. Two number 19,754, 45,791, 95,714, 71,459. So 95,000 is largest. 3,70,621, 2,06,713, 6,30,271, 3,60,217. So largest place is 6 lakh. Now in the same way, there is a number, you circle the smallest number. 62,514, 21,951, 41,527, 42,519. So 21,000 is the smallest. 47,000, 47 lakh 30,000, 1 lakh 172, 4 lakh 70,312, 4 lakh 7,312, and 7 lakh 40,312. The smallest is 4 lakh 7,312. So do you all, and D number, you ascending order, arrange the number. So you have a homework D, E, F, G up to G. Up to G you have a homework. आप सभी को एक सेपरेट मैथ का कॉपी बनाना है और उसमें ये सारे मैथ्स कॉपी करने हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट दिन हम लोग मिलेंगे एक नए एक्सरसाइज के साथ, एक नए चैप्टर के साथ. आपको ये तो सॉल्व करना है, साथ ही में आपको मेंटल मैथ 10 भी होमवर्क करना है. ओके.